The battery workshop project in Sichuan, produced and installed by our company, has been successfully completed. The project utilizes fiber-reinforced rubber plastic composite ducts with circular specifications of 5,1600 毫米 and 5,1800毫米, employing a concealed sliding rod suspension system along with a precisely designed nozzle air supply solution. The fiber-reinforced rubber plastic composite ducts effectively prevent surface condensation, eliminating from the source the safety hazards caused by dripping water to precision equipment and battery cells. Meanwhile, the duct's flexible design offers exceptional installation adaptability, seamlessly accommodating complex pipeline layouts and irregular sealing areas within the workshop. This not only ensures optimal airflow performance but also significantly improves space utilization and overall aesthetic appeal.